Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the launcher has a clean environment. Check that the Fitgirl repack size and file count match the release notes. Mismatches cause missing EXEs. Install Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributables, DirectX EndUser, and NET runtime now so dependencies are present. Disable antivirus and Defender temporarily to prevent deleted or quarantined files. Once done, run the game's setup as administrator. This prevents permission failures when creating registry entries and writing to program files. Once the installer completes, focus on the executable and configuration files that commonly fail in repacks. Launch the EXE as administrator and test Windows compatibility modes, such as Windows 7 or 8 if crashes persist. This addresses old DRM or API calls. If Fitgirl used a cracked EXE, try replacing it with the original retail EXE from a trusted backup while preserving saved games. Also, update GPU drivers and force the dedicated GPU for the game in your graphics control panel to avoid low power. To finish, clear user configs so the game builds fresh settings. Remove Metal Gear Solid V folders in Documents and App Data, then try launching again. If it still won't start, add command line parameters like windowed or knob order to bypass full-screen initialization problems. Make sure to test installing on another drive or folder to rule out permissions or path length limits. If problems persist, examine Windows Event Viewer for faulting modules. This points to missing DLLs or a third-party conflict you can target next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.